Just want to give you a quick update on the garden here. Not a whole lot's changed, but it's been a few days since I made a video, so I just want to show you what's going on. Maybe a couple little flowers up on top of these bell peppers. Here as well, there is a flower right there. Still just a few little jalapenos growing over here. Not a whole lot, some flowers going on there as well. Here is the tomato that I've showed off in the last couple of my videos. The roots on it were about 1.5 inches at the longest root. And so I just put this in a cup last night with some soil, and it was in the water cup for right at 1 week. I put nasturtium seeds on both sides of this whole bed, in between each plant. We've only had 2 of them actually germinate, so we'll see if those grow at all. Over here, sunflower plant's getting a little bigger. There's 2 of them here. I need to thin them out. Actually, there's 3 of them. Still 2 tomatoes growing on this better boy over here. They're still looking pretty good. The cherry tomatoes, I picked off most of the leaves that had the black spots on them, and it's actually looking pretty good now. I'm not even seeing any leaves that have black spots on them now. Same thing here. Had, actually looks like 4 sunflowers germinate. Bell peppers growing here. Bean sprouts. Cucumbers have all germinated except for, I got one little spot right here that they didn't germinate, so I'll probably thin out one of these where 2 of them germinated. Move it over. Melon plant's getting bigger. So this is sort of interesting. I think I put 4 sunflower seeds in all 3 of these pots, and 3 and 4 germinated over here, and none have germinated over here. So maybe I'll thin one of those out and move it over here. Zucchini plants are huge. We had a storm, pretty bad storm a few nights ago, and a lot of these leaves broke off. Well, they broke in half. Does anybody know if I should just go ahead and snap them all the way off, or should I just leave them there? Because the leaves still look pretty healthy, even though it's been a few days like this. Zucchinis, we've got a few zucchinis growing here. There's one here. There's one here. I can see 2 growing back here. So that's 4 zucchinis, and then there may be one growing back there, but I'm not seeing it right now. I see one little tiny one back there. So 5 zucchinis growing. And then the little zucchini seedlings getting bigger. Need to thin them out too. And then over here I had put 7 nasturtium seeds and 3 of them germinated. So it doesn't seem like a plant that germinates really well. At least not right now. But okay, that's all I got. That's my update. Again, thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time.